Oh.
We're going to the school. Yes. Mommy, we're going to
What's your name?
Audrey.
And what are we going to do right now?
In the school.
But we're late, right? It's traffic. Taylor Swift. You like that? What happened?
Hindi ata aabot si Audrey. 7:15 na, nandito pa tayo. Ay, dapat pala 6 o'clock tayo umalis. Sabi ko naman kahapon 6 o'clock. Abay, ako'y naka-ready na. Hindi ko kayo aga daw ng 6 o'clock, 6:30 dapat.
Okay. You look like a pig now.